Good morning. It's great to have your company this Monday, the 21st of December. I'm Jessica Amir, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, there's a lot to digest this week with economic growth numbers in the spotlight in the US and the UK. And in Australia, we'll learn how much we splurged on retail sales in November. But today, the focus for many will be on a couple of key things. Firstly, the increased restrictions in New South Wales that weren't on anyone's Christmas list, with some thinking restrictions will again be tightened right before Christmas. So many will be questioning the impact on this quarter's economic growth. Secondly, investors are also weighing up that a US stimulus deal has not yet been agreed upon. And thirdly, investors are also factoring in that the US could soon have another vaccine in circulation, as the FDA approved Moderna's vaccine as being safe and effective. On Friday, we saw US investors trim profits, seeing equities fall from their record highs. The broad S&P 500 and the Dow fell by 0.4%. The Nasdaq didn't fall as much, 0.1% down, largely supported by tech names rallying like Tesla, which gained 6%, rising to an all-time high as 200 million Tesla shares were transacted upon as the company entered the S&P 500. Commodity screens were seeing black again, the oil price rising to its highest level since February, $49.10 US a barrel, which is great for ASX listed oil companies, but not so for us because we'll probably be paying more for petrol this holiday season. The iron ore price, which is closely watched as it's our biggest export in commodities, the iron ore price is up by 0.7% to $152.60 US. So keep an eye on players in the iron ore space like FMG, which is up 30% month on month, BHP up 16%, and Champion Iron up 9% month on month, while the gold price is tracking steady at $1,889 US. Now, what to watch and expect today? Well, more broadly, the Aussie market is expected to fall at the open as investors, of course, question the New South Wales COVID clusters and if they'll spread further, while also weighing up the travel and tourism hit as Victoria and Queensland have shut off their borders. So the futures, all in all, are indicating a negative open today, a fall of 0.2%. Keep in mind the market rose 0.5% last week and was up for the 7th straight week. More broadly, the market is up 47% from the March low. As for trade today, I'd be expecting a similar pattern to what we saw on Friday and across March. So selling in travel and tourism stocks like Webjet, Qantas, Sydney Airport, etc. So expect them to come under pressure, but it's important to look at these pullbacks as opportunities to potentially buy. Also expect rallies in brands that are likely to see a sales boost, like vitamin business Blackmores, face mask provider Fisher and Paykel, and glove maker Ansell, as well as Woolies and Coles, as we of course spend more time at home and stock up for Chrissy. As for trading ideas that could be worth a look, well, the respiratory mask company Clean Space was reiterated as a bell-potted buy with a new sizable lift in its price target, now $7.65. That implies 18% upside in a year. Now, Clean Space has upgraded their earnings guidance for the second time this year on the back of an increase in sales in the US and Europe. And UBS called Mineral Resources, MIN, as a buy for the first time, giving MinRes a price target of $41.90. Now, Min offers exposure to iron ore and lithium, and UBS is expecting their earnings to rally next financial year. And Citi increased Bapcor's price target to $8.85, and BAP is a Citi buy. Lastly, keep an eye on three stocks: Tabcorp, Vita Life Sciences, and Elders, all showing strong bullish charting signals according to Trading Central. I'm Jess from Bell Direct. Stay safe, happy trading.